Are you feeling dry, depleted, or dealing with weak bones? Well, today I'm going to share with you a delicious recipe that's going to remedy all that. This recipe is not just delicious, but it's a sweet treat that is nourishing and packed with calcium. And it is so beneficial for women, especially during high Vata imbalances and in our transitional phase of life. So if you would like to find out what that recipe is, join me in this video. Hello gorgeous humans, my name is Kelsha and welcome back to my channel Uniquely You. I am your Ayurvedic wellness coach and women's empowerment coach. Now today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to share with you a recipe that is going to help nourish your body if you're feeling dry, if you're feeling depleted, and if your bones are feeling weak, especially women with high Vata imbalances. This is a delicious treat that is easy to make. You can keep it in your refrigerator and you can have one like whenever you feel like, one a day, two a day, go all in. It is so nourishing. Now, why I love this Ayurvedic recipe, Sesame-Almond Laddus. Now, it rebuilds, it strengthens and replenishes your body. And I'll show you how to make it. Now, this Ayurvedic recipe is designed to deeply nourish your bones, your hair, your nails, and overall vitality. It will help to replenish your ojas. Now, let me share with you why I love this recipe. Sesame seeds. They are grounding, oily, and rich in calcium. The perfect antidote for high Vata, dryness, and depletion. And let's not talk about almond butter. Now, almond butter adds not only protein, but healthy fats, while we have cardamom and honey that enhances digestion and taste. Now, this isn't just a sweet treat, ladies. It's legitimately therapeutic. Every time I have one, I'm like, oh, because you sometimes you feel for that snack and you would have something that is not therapeutic, that is not nourishing, that is not building, that is not energizing or strengthening or replenishing to your body. But you can have this delicious sweet treat guilt-free and feel amazing. Now, the benefits of these laddus: they're an excellent source of plant-based calcium, rejuvenates the bones, hair, nails, teeth, supports women's health, especially during perimenopause or Vata imbalances. Now, a Vata tends to go into imbalance during the fall and early winter. So these treats are especially beneficial in those times, or you can have them anytime your body is feeling dry or you feel depleted, and you feel like you need a burst of energy, and they are made with whole sattvic and nourishing ingredients. They help balance and counteract dryness and weakness in the body. Now, I already gave you an Ayurvedic tip. So my Ayurvedic tip is have these early in the fall and early winter, or anytime you notice that your skin is dry or you're feeling depleted, your bones don't feel as strong. These are very, very, very good. And as I said before, they are so delicious. So let's go ahead and make this delicious almond sesame laddus or sesame almond laddus. Either way, it's so good for you and so beneficial and nourishing. Your body's going to love you for this. Join me. So for this recipe, we're going to be making some almond balls, which is almond sesame balls, which is really good for your bone health. Helps with alleviating joint pain. It's also good For osteoporosis, because we all know that sesame seed is really high in calcium and strengthens our bones. So here we had 1/4 cup of almond butter. You're going to put 2 tablespoons of honey. This is so delicious. Maybe any honey of your choice. 2 tablespoons of honey. And then let it sit, and then we mix it together. Mix it all in, the honey and the butter. And we'll add some vanilla to this. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of flavor. Vanilla. We can add some pinch of cinnamon. We're gonna add some cardamom. Cardamom is a staple herb in Ayurveda. And for me, I'm going to add a pinch of salt because my almond butter doesn't have any salt in it. It's, so it's 100% almond butter, lightly toasted, no salt or anything like that. So this smells so good. And that. And we now add in the grounded sesame seeds. Now I had this sesame seed I had here. I roasted it and I ground it. If you get roasted or toasted ground sesame seed, that would be optimal for you if you really don't want to go through the hassle of grinding your sesame seed. So this is what it looks like. So this is 1/4 cup of sesame seed. So we're going to put all of it in here. Now we're gonna mix it all together. All right? Yeah, you see? Guys, already coming together. And there you have it. Take it out from here. This is gonna be so good. You can also add some ginger if you like. I like ginger, but this ginger is optional. You don't really need to add the ginger, but I love me some ginger. In the summertime when you make this, do not add any ginger because it's just gonna be too overheating, especially if you're someone who is a pitta person. You're always hot. You need that cooling spices to keep you balanced. So there you have it. So now we're gonna cut it. I form it into balls, and I'm going to sprinkle shredded coconut in here. My shredded coconut, and we're just gonna take it up. I'm gonna roll it into balls. There you go. 1. Let's see how many we can get. Oh, this is so good. It smells amazing. 2. This is so good for your bone health. Ladies, let me tell you, that cricking and cracking is not going to work. Okay? Trying to get your calcium in as much as possible. No. And sesame seed is has an amazing content of calcium. So what we would do now, we would roll it around. Let's just shake it around. See, I'm trying not to get them stuck together. Together, we have one. Get some more coconut here. This is some more coconut. One thing you can also add some cacao powder to this. If you would like to have like a chocolate flavor, you can add mint. If you want a mint flavor, you can mix it up and put your own style to it. You know what your palate loves. And also, you have to think about what is good for your present constitution, and are you experiencing any form of imbalance, right? Oh, they're lovely. Okay. So now you would put it in a container and store it in the fridge, and you can serve chilled. Okay.
He's off it. This time I used to
And there you have it, ladies. Your snack that you can have. There you have it. Sesame-Almond Laddus. This treat is not only so very simple to make, you can create this in less than 20 minutes and store it in your refrigerator and keep it there for the week. You can have one every day. Okay, this is a treat that you can have knowing that you're going to nourish your body, you're going to strengthen your bones, you're going to oil up your body, you're going to moisturize your body, you're going to energize your body. It builds, it rejuvenates, it energizes, and it's delicious, and it's sweet, and it's nourishing. Okay, so try it and let me know. Come back and let me know in the comments below your experience with this delicious Ayurvedic treat. And if you would like for me to create more videos with recipes for you to build and rejuvenate or pacify or nourish, just drop in the comments below. Let me know what you are dealing with, and I would go through the comments and make videos that is going to support you. Okay? Let me support you. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Kelsha. I am an Ayurvedic wellness coach and women's empowerment coach. And if you are on a journey to balance, rebuild, and energize and feel nourished from the inside out, click the link below and book your free one-on-one consultation with me. You can also click the link to one of my quizzes and sign up to my mailing list, where you can get recipes and rituals and practices directly to your inbox twice a month. I'm not going to spam you. Okay, so ladies, like I said again, thank you so much for viewing. Remember to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and share, share, share. Peace, love, and blessings.